Hey guys, it's Hunting Fishing Family with another video, and we are going to be doing a fishing unboxing right here. My mom already opened these, I don't know why, but well, here's some split shot weights right here. Comes with 124 of them right there. So I say we start smallest to biggest, okay? So we're going to start with this. I'm going to set the camera down, probably right here. These are some frogs that I got off Amazon. Right there. I think there's a whole bunch of different colors. These, I think it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, came with 6 of them. What they look like right there. I'll unpackage those in a minute. And this one. First, got some poppers. So we have 2 things of top waters already. I'll show you something else in here. Got a whole bunch of these hooks and stuff, but I thought they'd be bigger. They come with 500, but they're not that big, so I'll probably use those for about like trout or something. Here is a big package right here. So new tackle box that I just got. Something just dropped. I don't know where this goes, but let's take it off. There we go. Pretty nice backpack. There. Got all the got 4 of them. Right here. Oh, this also looks down too. I forgot. All these. Pretty nice. So that just goes in there. Got a place for some soft plastic. Got a nice thing outside. Put some more soft plastic. Other thing. Can open these right up. That would be a good place for soft plastic right there, probably. And the same thing on the other side. And I think that's about it for the tackle box. Go all the way back up. Oh. There we go. This might be a little hard to set. Wow. Okay, so I am going to unpack everything out of like the wrappers and stuff, and we are going to put them in here. Throw all the trash right there. I don't know where this thing goes. I will figure out where this thing goes. Two more. That blue will really stick out in the water. Okay. Now we can unbox these. Got some pretty nice poppers right here. This hook's a little stiff, but figure it out. Pretty nice color. What the fuck? Okay guys, so we are going to start putting the stuff in here. I think I'm going to start with the frogs. Now I like these because you can pull them out. You can put about like 2 frogs in each. There we go. There's that right there. Now we can put the poppers on. Okay. Now I'm not going to separate all these weights and stuff like that. So I'm just going to, that would be a good place for these. I'm just going to put these 2 things, probably right here actually. I'm going to put, no. don't really know where I want this yet. Here, right in this top pocket. There we go. That's just, see, so they're just right in there. Just can't really see them too well. Okay, so got all that stuff situated. Now I'm going to take you guys off there. Take the tab box. Here. Now I already have one frog, so we just put that right there. And I got this popper. I can just put in the other poppers. Got the small little crankbait. Got this little jig type thing. Got a couple bass on that before. Got these two things, which I never use, so I'm just going to not put those in there at all. I got these two. Repel, I forgot what they're called. I forgot the, like, real name of them. So, put those right in there. I got two little spots. What can I put in there? I think I might put this little thing in here. Oh, there might not be enough space. Yep, there. Okay. Now I'm just going to take this off because I never use this. Put the jig head in there. Okay. Now, there we go. That's one right there. One thing full. Now let's grab another one. That's one I have to go down. Got this little jig. Perfect, it'll fit right in there. I got the two spinners. Put this. Fun place for that. I got these, so I'm just going to dump these out and this one's so hard to open. And save these if I want to put something in it. Got some extra hooks right there. Now, I think I'm just going to put these in there. In here, because I do use those a lot. And you know what? I got thinking about it. I'm actually gonna take these two things and put them in here too. So, I'll have to take one thing out, put it in here. There's that. Now, I think I'm going to put all my soft plastics. The two I use mostly, I'm going to put them someplace else. Some of those can go in there. Now this. That I use mostly will go on there too. These are to slide this in nice little pocket. What happened? Oh, they all fell out. Ugh. Okay, now I'm gonna take this and put it in there. Same as this one. That's really about it. I don't want it, so. I will say, I do need some more fishing stuff. That's for sure. I'd like to get more fishing stuff. About all this, with all like these baits and stuff, were about like 200, I think. Yeah, 200 on Amazon. Best place to shop. And now I think that is going to be it for today. So I'll hit you guys up later.